What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another wash and go. Trying to do as many wash and goes as I can before it gets too cold. Even though I am a year-round wash and go wearer, I am going to incorporate more twist outs in the colder months because I know that that's what a lot of you guys do and like. So I still have a lot of twisting creams, souffles, and things like that I want to break into and try out for you guys. So yeah, I am trying to use up my stash. So with that being said, today I am going to be using the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk as my leave-in. It is already in my hair. I applied it in the shower, and then I'm going to top it with Obia Naturals Curl Enhancing Custard. So I think in my last video, or a few videos back, I said that I hadn't used these two in a while, and I was going to use these, but I ended up using the Wonder Curl instead, just to break that open before the year ends and let you guys see how that worked on my hair. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here. But now I'm going to go ahead and use these two. I used these two back in 2020, so 3 years ago I used these two, and because some of you guys are newer, you probably haven't seen my older videos, I wanted to go ahead and bring this combination to you again. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and apply the Obia Naturals. This is a curl enhancing custard. It is vegan, it's pH balanced, it is a natural product. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it looks very like a cream gel or whatever. Some people call it custard, some people call it cream gel, whatever. So to me, I like it. This was one of the very first products that I used outside of a traditional gel like the Eco that I really liked, that I thought gave me a lot of hold. It's not a real hard hold like a Eco or a Wet Line, but it is close, especially when you're talking about natural products. It gives me a little fluffier, not as weighed down look, but it definitely gives me definition. So I will say that. And I believe I said that the Wonder Curl, when I used it, it gave me a very similar look to this, but the texture of the Wonder Curl is more like the Allocate Naturals Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel, which I love as well. So yeah, I want to go ahead and use this up. It's not a lot left, but I want to go ahead and try to get it used up because I've had it a while and I don't want it to go bad. This one is tinted pink. The other ones that I've always had were more white, and I remember some of my past videos, people would say mine is pink, and I didn't understand why, but this one is a little bit pink as well. So when you're dealing with natural products, because of the natural ingredients, sometimes the color is not always exactly the same as the jar you got before. So I do want to let you know that. So I'm going to take a little bit of this custard, rub it in my hands, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Like I said, the Curl Love is already applied. I used it in the shower as a leave-in. You guys know I love the Curl Love. I wanted to bring it back out because I hadn't used it for a while, and it used to be one of my favorite products that I used all the time. So I just wanted to bring it back out. So there you go. Now, I like the Curl Love as a moisturizer on dry hair, but it works well as a leave-in too. And in my previous videos, I said I didn't like the application as well in the shower as a leave-in. But it still worked. It still gave you the moisture and everything like that. Well, I'm gonna tell you something, honey. The application today was great. I was like, man, I don't usually feel like this. What's the difference? Okay, so the difference is, I think, my wash day products. So I use pretty much all moisturizing products today. So, that could probably have something to do with it. When I rinsed out my deep conditioner and everything, my hair felt so good. So then when I went in with the Curl Love, it just added to it and felt really good too. So I just wanted to kind of update you guys on that. So depending on what you use before it can affect your application as well, and how healthy your hair is too. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, I used to love Obia. I still love it. I just hadn't used it for a while, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and pour this out, because I am trying to use things up that I love, things that I know that I probably wouldn't get to. I did put in my declutter videos. I'll link those in the iCards as well, so you can go check those out. Some of the stuff that I got rid of, I did put on my Macari. Some of the stuff may still be out there at the time of this video. I don't know. If you wanted to see what it is and pick it up. But yeah, Black Friday's gonna be here before you know it, around the corner. And so I'm trying to get rid of stuff, because it's like no reason for me to buy nothing else if I still have all this stuff. So I need to really know what I need as far as my staples and stuff. I don't plan on getting a whole lot, because I still have stuff that I need to break it open and try. But there are tried and true staples that I like to have on hand. So I want to know exactly what those are. I don't want to have 5 open bottles or jars of my staples and then go and buy some more, because I don't know what I have. So that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to clean house. Trying to clean house, basically. Uh-oh. Okay. So that is my first section, guys. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to go ahead and just finish doing this around my head, and you guys can watch.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew. Not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever. Though you can't deny, hold it all inside. No, you can trust me, just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. I'll be around, yeah. You're not scared of love, just scared of love. Alright, enough. Just tell me if you want my love.
Okay, guys, so I got it all applied. Still have some in there. A little bit. I don't know if it's enough for a whole head, but it's definitely a little bit left in there. So we will see. It looked like just before that everything is blending nicely. I don't think I'm going to get any flaking, although I was a little heavy-handed. And yeah. So I'm going to sit under the dryer. Sorry, is it blurry? Sorry. I'm going to sit under the dryer, and I'll be back when it's dry and we can talk about the combination. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back and this is my hair. I did stretch it a little bit, but as you can see, I still have a lot of definition, and that is what I say about the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now, I do have more frizz than I normally would, and that is because I was separating it instead of just stretching it like I normally do. I was trying to separate it a little bit because I had quite a bit of clumps. And then I took my pick and tried to pick it to give it a little bit more height. And I hadn't done that for a while, and I kind of just frizzed it out, especially down in the roots a little bit. So anyway, it's still going to last me the days that I need it to last. So I'm not worried about that. But I do want to let you know that these two products are good together. There's no flaking. My hair looks healthy. My hair is very soft. There is no crunch, but there definitely is a hold on the ends. And of course, if you don't see how big the clumps are, of course, if you don't, you know, stretch your hair or anything like that, you definitely will have more hold than I have. But y'all know me. I don't mind frizz. I don't mind soft. I don't mind no crunch. So it's right up my alley. But anyway, yeah, guys, that's it. This is one of my old combinations. Like I said, I haven't used these two together since I think 2020. So that's 3 years ago. I wanted to revisit it because I'm trying to use up my stash. Still have quite a bit of this. Don't have as much of this. And it definitely is not enough for a whole nother wash and go. But it's enough for me to maybe slick down my hair. I might even be able to do, you know, a few twists with this or something like that. So I don't know. I will get it used up some kind of way. But this was my last one. This was my last one. So I don't have another one of these. So yeah, this may be something that I'll pick up over Black Friday, or if they have a sale before Black Friday or something like that, I might get another couple jars of this because I really do like it. And I would suggest anybody who likes more defined hair but want better ingredients to give this a try. This is a good one. It's not going to be as hard as the Alikay Naturals lemongrass gel, but it will be harder than like a Alikay creme brulee, or it'll be harder than the Main Crush Curl-Teeny. That one gives me a really fluffy wash and go. This one gives me a little bit more elongation and a little bit more clumpage and a little bit more hold. So if you want something like in between, a real hard and a soft, then this is a good one. So I'd say pick it up and give it a try. And it pairs well with this. So okay, that's it, guys. Real quick, just wanted to come on and show you second day hair using the Camille Rose Curl Love and the Curl Enhancing Custard. I did stretch it out today, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. So still a lot of definition, fullness, a little bit more frizz on top, but I like it like that. I like the way that it's growing, and you can see all the coils and everything on the bottom. So I know that I still can get a few more days out of this. So I'm definitely going to keep it 2 more days, and then I'm going to wash it because I'll be heading into the weekend. Let me see. 2 more days will be Thursday. So I'll wash it on Thursday because I got something to do Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So I want it fresh. I'll wash it Thursday so it can get me through the weekend. And yeah, that will be it. So today is 2nd day. Tomorrow will be 3rd. Thursday will be 4th day. So I am going to wash it on 4th day hair. I'll try to come back tomorrow too to show you 3rd day hair. But if I don't I just wanted to let you guys see, you know, what it's what it's looking like for second day. So, okay guys, getting on showing you my 4th day hair with Obia Naturals, and still looks good. Could actually last longer, but this weekend is coming up and I have a lot of things to do every day this weekend, so I do want to refresh my hair. I don't want to try to stretch it all the way through the weekend, even though it probably would be okay, but I just want it to be as fresh as possible. So yeah, this is it. Still a lot of definition. There's some frizz, but there's definitely a lot of definition, a lot of coils, and this would definitely give me, today's day 4. I could definitely get through day 5, even day 6, even day 7 if I wanted to, if I did not have something to do day 5, 6, and 7. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that Obia Naturals does have a nice hold to it, and it can last, and it does have better ingredients. So yeah, that's it. So now back to there you go. Guys, let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you've used these products. If you have, leave your thoughts of the products in the comment section below. We want to hear from you. And if you're going to pick up these products based on this recommendation, I want to know that as well. And yeah, guys, that's it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.